Hello students, I hope you all are doing great today. Today I'll teach you question 5 from exercise 9.1. Here I have made the pictograph for all of you as the question 5 has a pictograph. So I have made a pictograph of question 5. That pictograph shows that each face of the girl represent 4 girls. Means एक फेस जो है उसके अंदर का काउंट किया है मतलब 4 गर्ल्स है. Here I have made 6 faces for class 1. It doesn't mean that it has 6 girls in class 1. No. Each face represents 4 girls, which means that one face equal to 4. Second face is 4 plus 4 is 8. Third face is 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. Fourth face 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 16. For fifth phase 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 20. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 24. But we have done 6 times of 4. So first of all we write classes and number of girl students. Each full face represents 4 girls. And what does this half face represent? It represents 2. Half of 4 is 2. In the same way, the full face represents 4 girls and half face represents 2 girls. Now for class 1. Here you can see we have 6 faces for class 1. 6 multiplied 4 is equal to 24. Now for class 2. We have 4 full faces, 4 multiplied 4 plus 2 for this half face. It's 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. I have multiplied this 4 with 6 times of this face. 6 multiplied 4 is 24. For class 3, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we multiply with 4, 20. For class 4 equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 multiply 4 plus this half, 2. It is 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. I hope it's clear to you. Now we are doing calculation for class 5. Class 5. 2 multiply 4 plus 2 because 2 full face, 1 half face. So we multiply this 2 with 4 plus 2 is 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. This is a representation of class 5. And class 6 has 1, 2, 3, 4 faces. So 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. And class 7, you can see we have 3 faces for class 7. So 3 multiply 4 is equal to 12. Class 8, 3 times, 4 times, 1 times 4. For 1 multiply 4 plus 2, that is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now we found that how many girl students in each class. Okay, we have calculated the number of girl students in each class. For that we have multiplied each face with 4. Here 6 times one face is the girl face is repeated 6 times. So we multiply 6 with 4, that is 24. Here the girl faces occurs 4 times, so we multiply this with 4, but 1 half face is also here, so we have added 2 in it. 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay, now it's clear to you. I think it's all clear to you. Now the question says observe this pictograph. We have already calculated the calculation of the different girls student in each class. So we will do the questions. The question 1 says, which class has the minimum number of girl students. Who will tell me? Yes, bachcha log. Who will tell me? Yes, you can see class 1 is 24, 18, then 20, then 14, then 10, then 16, 12. 6 is a less. 6 is the least number. Yes, 66 is the least number. You can see every class has a different number of girl child, but the class 8 has a least number of girl students. So we will write class 8 has the minimum number of students. Clear? Very easy. Nothing is difficult in it. And the second question says, is the number of girls in class 6 less than the number of girls in class 5. Here you can see that class 5 has 10 girl student and class 6 has 16 girl student. As we can say that class 6 has more number of students than class 5. So we will write no, the number of girls in class 6 is not less than number of girls in class 5, because class 6 has 16 and class 5 has 10 number of girl students. It is very clear to you that the number of students, the class 6 has more than class 5th. So we'll write no, the number of girls in class 6 is not less than number of girls in class 5. Last question is, how many girls in class, how many girls are there in class 8? I think you can easily check and tell me. Yes, tell me. Class 7th has how many girl students does the class 7th has? Yeah, you all are brilliant students. You can easily tell me. Yes, it is 12. So we'll write over here 12 students. I hope it's clear to you. What I have done in this question, first I have solved how many girl students in each class. According to that, I have solved these answers based on this pictograph that I have already solved on my right hand side by rubbing the pictograph that I have made earlier. Which class is the minimum, has the minimum number of girl students? Here you can check that class 8 has a minimum number of students, that is 6. So you have written class 8 has a minimum number of students. For class B, for question B, is the number of girls in class 7 is less than the number of girls in class 5th. As we can see, class 6 has 16 students, but the class 5 has a 10 student. So we will write no, the number of girls in class 6 is not less than the number of girls in class 5. Question C says, how many girls are there in class 7th? We have already calculated the number of girls in class 7th is 12. So we have written over 12 girl students. It's very easy. Nothing is difficult. I'll tell you one thing. I'm making this video in one take. As I am teaching in the school, in the same way I am teaching you by these videos. I am not doing any editing of these videos so that you can easily clear and the sum is easily understandable to you. I hope you all are getting my point. It's very easy. Nothing editing is done in my videos. It's very easy to understand these sums. You can easily focus and catch them. I hope it's clear. I hope you all understood. I hope the way I'm teaching you is very understandable for all of you. Thanks a lot. Please like my videos. It means a lot for me. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.